Hi everyone! In this video we're going to talk about how to play Gently Sleep. So the first 3 songs in book 1 of Recorder Karate all use the same notes. So we don't have any new notes to learn for this song, and we don't have too much in here that's different from before. We're still using quarter notes and half notes. There is one new thing, and as a reminder, you should always be reading the bottom of the page before you start your song. So all the new information that you would need is down there. So in this song, we only have one new thing, and that is the breath mark. And so when you see a breath mark that looks like an apostrophe, that means take a breath. We don't want anybody passing out while playing the recorder. So you need to make sure you're breathing when it says to breathe. Super important. So, like I said, we use the same notes in this. The rhythm for each measure is the same. So we have a quarter note, and then another quarter note, and then a half note. So if you clap that, it's going to sound like quarter, quarter, half notes, quarter, quarter, half note. Okay? Pretty easy. It's the same for each measure. The thing that people run into the most issues with in this song is trying to play the second and fourth measures the same. And as a reminder, a measure is the space between 2 bar lines here. So because the first and the third measure are the same, people try to play the second and the fourth measure the same, but they're not the same. So you got to watch out for that right there, making sure that you're playing that correctly. Okay? Again, the first step in playing recorder is actually not playing the recorder. The first step is to make sure you can identify the notes. So if your parents are watching with you, I'm going to remind you so that they know about 3/4 of your work should not actually involve picking up your recorder. Okay, the first step is to make sure you can identify all those notes and then speak them in rhythm. Speak them in rhythm while doing the recorder fingers on your recorder, making sure that you're doing those correctly. And then finally you pick up and play, but you should not be playing your recorder right from the beginning. I want to make sure that we can go through those steps. And I promise if you go through those steps, it will be easy for you. So as a reminder, G is on the second line. Treble clef shows us where G is. And then A is in the second space. And B is on the third line. Okay, important stuff to remember. And watch out for this ABG measure at the end. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to play it for you, but I'm not going to let you see my recorder because I want to make sure that you're not just copying what I'm doing and that you're learning to play this independently. So here we go. This is Gently Sleep. And don't forget, the first and second line of this is identical aside from the lyrics. So if you can do the first line, you can do this second line. All right, I hope this has been helpful. Take care, everyone, and I hope to see you soon.